chapter, and first of all I would like to explain the main points related to this chapter. So for in earlier classes also you know how to draw the Cartesian graph in Cartesian plane. So about point you already know. What is a point? A point has no dimensions, no length, no breadth, no height. So in chapter number 12, first of all, I will like to clear it means about coordinates and coordinates. Two mutual perpendicular lines which are intersecting to each other. So this line is called x-axis and this line is called y-axis. So these intersecting lines are forming four quadrants and the coordinates are fixed. They will not change their place. So this is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. And this is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. Any doubt, any confusion? Two mutually perpendicular lines which are intersecting at O, and this intersecting point is called origin. This is called origin. At equal distance, mark the point. So these points are called, it means this side if you take the value of x, so this will be positive value of x, and this side negative value of y on x-axis, and upward positive value of y, downward negative value of y. The value of x or on x-axis are called abscissa, and the values of y which are representing on y-axis are called ordinate. Suppose x is 2 and y is 3. So 1, 2. So after taking the value of x, we have to take the corresponding value of y. So y is 3. 3 is positive, so positive will be upward. So 2, 3. So this way we will plot the coordinates on graph. So 2, 3. 2 is abscissa and 3 is ordinate. Understood? So once again, two mutual perpendicular lines are called axis. The intersecting point of the axis is called origin. In first coordinate, the values of both x and y will be positive. It means plus plus. Once I will rub this one. X O x-axis, Y O y-axis. So in first quadrant both will be positive. It means value of x also will be positive, value of y also will be positive. In second quadrant x will be negative and y will be positive. negative, positive. In third quadrant, both will be negative, and in fourth quadrant, negative, positive, negative. Any doubt, any confusion? In first quadrant, both the values will be positive. In second quadrant, negative, positive. In third quadrant, both will be negative, and in fourth quadrant, positive, negative. This way you can understand and you can learn. Plus plus in first quadrant, minus plus in second quadrant, minus minus in third quadrant, and plus minus in fourth quadrant. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay, now some questions related to graph, how we have to draw the graph. So suppose A is equal to, these are the coordinates. The coordinates of A are minus 6, 3. Try to understand, very easy. B is, take any value, no problem. 3 minus 7 I am taking. C is 2, 8, for example. And D is equal to minus 3, 9. We have to plot the points. So by seeing also in first quadrant both positive. So this will lie in this quadrant, negative, positive. It means in second quadrant. So x minus 6 at equal distance on your graph paper, 10 small squares will represent one you can take, or according what you like, so you can take the points. So generally 10 small square will represent only 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is minus 6, value of y3, 1, 2, 3. So minus 6, 3. This way. Minus 6, 3. 3 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. 3. This is 3. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 minus 7. Understood? Next, 2, 8 plus 2. First of all, we will take the value of x and then y 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 8. 2, 8. Minus 3, 9. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 plus 9. So suppose 9 is there. So minus 3, 9. I hope this is not difficult, and by seeing this video you can try yourself. Understood? Okay. Now exercise 12.1. The coordinates divide the plane into, yes, multiple choice questions are there. The coordinates divide the plane into 4 parts. Each part is called, so quadrant, just I told to you. If both the coordinates of a point are positive, it lies in first quadrant. In which quadrant does the point minus 2, 5? It means in second quadrant. Plot the following points on graph and locate the quadrants. So A 4, 8, so it will lie in first quadrant. B, it will lie in second quadrant. C in first. D in fourth quadrant, and E in third quadrant. F will lie in second quadrant, and 7, 2 minus 3 will lie in second quadrant, in fourth quadrant. S will lie in third quadrant, and I will lie in first quadrant, and J will lie in third quadrant. So in beginning I told to you how will identify plus in first quadrant, minus in second quadrant, minus in third quadrant, and plus in fourth quadrant. Find out the coordinates of the points A, B, C, D. By seeing you can understand. So in book when you see, so value of x is 2 and fourth question I am talking about fourth question. So coordinate of a. So in book when you see a it will lie on x-axis at 2. So 2 and 4. These are the coordinates. 2, 4. 2, 4. So like this, say minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. So this way you can find the coordinates. Now next question. Draw the graph of simple interest paid on rupees 1000 at the rate of 2% per annum. So we have to draw the graph of this one. One example I am taking. So first of all, try to know the formula for finding the simple interest. In class 7 you have done already. Simple interest, principal multiply rate multiply by time upon 100. So this is the formula for finding the simple interest. Now we have to draw the graph. Simple interest graph. Here principal is 1000. Principal is 1000 rupees and rate is R is 2% per annum. So we have to find the time. So time, first I will take simple interest, principal, rate, time upon 100. So what is principal? 1000, rate 2 and time is 1. So what will be simple interest? Rupees 20. Rupees 20. If time will be 2 years, so this way. So principal 1000 time 2 years, rate is already given 2 upon 100. So it will be rupees 40. Rupees 40. When time is 3, so 1000 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 upon 100. So it will be rupees 60. So this way we can take, when we take the time for, so simple interest will be rupees 80. Rupees 80. Up to here, any doubt, any confusion? Now I will make the table. In table I will write, then I will draw the graph. So here will be time, here will be simple interest. When time is 1 year, then simple interest rupees 20. When time is 2, simple interest 40. When time is 3, simple interest 60. When time is 4, 80. Understood? Can I have? Because I told you how to find the simple interest, and I hope you have done already and you also know how to find the simple interest if time, rate and principles are given. Understood? Okay. Now draw the graph. This is your graph paper. X, you have to write here O, and this is Y. On x-axis, I will take the time. Time in years. Time in years. And here I will write simple interest in rupees. Simple interest in rupees. Mark a point at equal distance. I told to you 10 whole square will represent 1, and according to the, it means suitable scale you can select. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and here will be 10, 20, 30, 40 or 20 also you can write, but for that we have to write the scale. It means on x-axis 10 small squares represent 1, and on y-axis 10 small squares will represent 20. So you can take it 20, 40, 60, and here will be 80. Because space was less, that's why I increase the scale. 10 small square 20, and according to the, it means your graph paper, you can take 10 small square represent 10. Now time is 1, and then simple interest is 20. So this is 20. Now when time is 2, then simple interest will be rupees 40 in front of 40. When time is 3, simple interest will be 60. When time is 4, then simple interest will be 80. Like this. So this is the graph of linear equation. Linear equation means the graph always will be straight. If we draw the graph of linear equation is this one. So this is the graph of the simple interest graph. Here is 4 and 80. So this is the graph of this is simple interest and time, between simple interest and time. Understood? Okay. So there should be no confusion. Next question. Exercise 12.2 also related to this one. In a distance time graph as shown in the figure, the velocity will be. It means what is the formula between velocity, and one more point I would like to explain before this one. So velocity what is velocity? This change in distance upon change in time. So this will be velocity. So one example I will show to you. This is your graph paper. By this example you will understand easily. X, O, Y, O axis. So 1, 2, A is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. So this is a graph B3, A is 2, here is B, here is C, here will be like this. So A, B, C, and this will be D, like this. So this is the graph. Now this is written time in second, and this is the distance of the objects in meters. So this is 2 and here is 3. So the distance between change in distance change in distance. So this is given, it means distance is 4, this is 4 and this is 2. So change in distance 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 meter, because up to here this is 4 meter and this is 2 meter. 4 meter, 2 meter, so 4 minus 2, change in distance and change in time. Time is representing this one. So what is the difference between time? It means 3 minus 0, 3 second minus, it means this is given 0 because this is here 0 and this is 3. 3 minus 0, so 2 by 3 meter per second. So this is the velocity. So this is the velocity of this question. So like this you can solve the problems. So one question exercise exercise 12.2 multiple choice questions. In distance time graph as shown in the figure, the velocity will be 0, negative, positive, both B and C. So this is the graph. This is the graph. This is given already. So we have to find the velocity. It means change in distance, change in distance by change in time. Velocity, change in distance, change in distance upon change in time. So now see, this is positive quadrant, this also positive, positive and negative, it means x will be positive. So it will lie. So what will be the velocity? So it will be positive. It will be positive. Positive of the velocity of this graph will be positive. Next question. In the graph as shown in figure, the change in y when x change from 0 to 10. So 0 to 2, sorry, 0 to 2. So x changes from 0 to 2. So this also will be like this. Now see, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The graph of as shown in figure, the change in y when x changes from 0 to 10. So this is 0, here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now graph is, this is little bit difficult to represent. 6 is here and 2 in front of 2. I will draw in dotted. So this is 2. This will be equal, it will no change, and here will be 5. Here will be 5. So in the graph as shown in figure, the change in y when x changes from 0 to 2. x changes 0 to 2. So here is 0, this is 0 and this is 2, this is x. Now what will be changed in y? So here is 6 and what is here? What is here? It will be 4. So 6 minus 4, it will be equal to 2. So this is the answer of this question, because 0 to 10, 0 to 2, and on y it will be 6 minus 4, it means